the house of Kamakshi Foods, and on behalf of Cook's Corner Sugarand, I welcome you all to our Ramzan Zaika today. Assalamualaikum, मेरा नाम नाज़िम खान है and I'm from Apsa. And this is the first experience of my life. And honestly, I'm really very nervous. But at the same time, I'm really super excited as well. I want to thank Lakshmi ma'am for giving me this wonderful concept. The welcome drink is going to be the Thandai Sharbat, the chicken samosa, 2 kinds of kebabs, that's Afghani chicken and Lasuni tikka, good dum bachai biryani, Zafrani chicken, Nawabi mutton kurma, mutton bhuna and parantha and raita, sheer kurma and fruit salad with homemade ice cream. कुकिंग के लिए तो पैशन मेरा बहुत ही है because I like to experiment new things. I like to add up flavors and play with flavors. The same applies to baking as well. I love baking and it's been 1 year of time I'm into baking. And initially I used to make normal sponges, but today I'm taking wedding cake orders. I'm taking birthday cake orders. I'm taking cake orders related to any kind of functions. And I'm also into designer cupcakes and plain muffins and frosted cupcakes as well. I just love baking, and if you all like my work, if you all are interested in giving orders, please do contact me.
12 महीने में रमजान का महीना हमारा बरकत वाला और जिसमें नेकी करके वक्त हमने फायदा है। इस महीने में हमने ज़कात देने का है, हमारे जान का सदका देना और फितरा देना। जान का ज़कात हमने देना पड़ता है 1 लाख के पीछे 2500 रुपये गरीबों को बांटना।
हाँ सॉरी। और रमजान आने के पहले पूरा सारा घर साफ वगैरह करते हैं और सब तैयारी करते हैं। फिर हम लोग सुबह में रोज़ा करते हैं। रोज़े में भी बहुत वैराइटीज रहती है और फिर 5 टाइम नमाज पढ़ते हैं, कुरान पढ़ते हैं और जो आते जाते हैं उनको जो सदका वगैरह दे देते हैं। और ऐसा सब हमारे रमजान में अच्छी खुशियाँ मिलती हैं।
मैंने जो आज बिरयानी बनाई है उसका नाम है चिकन दम बादशाही बिरयानी और वो बनाने के लिए डेफिनेटली बहुत ही एफर्ट्स लगा है। इट्स अ बिरयानी विच इज़ गिवन टू किंग्स। एक बिरयानी में बहुत सारा बरिस्ता जाता है। बरिस्ता इज़ अ कैरेमलाइज्ड ऑनियन and also the dry fruits goes into this biryani, and to marinate this chicken it takes around half a day's time. So basically this chicken biryani is a 2 days preparation.
Concept of Sugarand started by Lakshmi Upalkar is a great concept, and in this holy month of Ramzan we always look for authentic Muslim food, and this was a great opportunity to come here because we know Muslim food has been very aromatic and full of flavors, which is rightly placed before us by Nazneen and her family. A lot of hard work has gone into it. We have seen mutton chops and biryanis and kurmas and a variety of kebabs which were very authentically done, very well marinated also. So looking forward to more such wonderful food tasting concepts from Sugarand.
Professional insurance गोंयांत म्हटल्यार चडशे सण आमी साजरे करतात। तितून एक रमजान गोंयांत आमी पयल्यार सगळ्या जाती धर्माचे लोक हांगा प्रत्येक जे फेस्टिवल आसता सगळे आमी मेळून करतात। आनी आयज आमी नाजनीगेर मेळ्ळ्या आनी खुबशे आयज बरें जालें की हांव आयतार आनी बुधवारूच नॉन वेज जेयता आयतारचे बरें जेवण नॉन वेज आनी स्पेशल मटन फेवरेट म्हाजो डीश सगळें आवडलें.
I'm Neelam Kathakar, staying in Akola. बहुत अच्छा खाना खिलाया है.
Yeah, just told me जेवण असतलें like a board. So the food was very nice. I really like to eat a lot. So yeah, you can recall it. Yeah, the food was very nice.
I am Camille. I'm a beautician by profession, and I have my salon at Tonka. I'm a beauty advisor also. Nazneen really gave us that authentic food that they make. The biryani was really yummy, and all her items, mutton korma, which was really tasty. And I'm sure she will have a big restaurant one day for herself. You know, making this lovely, yummy food. I really enjoyed the food, and I would wish there would be many more lucky people like us having the food here today. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Joseph. Getting people to come and spend time together as that to over dining, I think it's a brilliant idea. I think we could use some ideas like this to make this country and this state, more vibrant, more cultural, more close that cultural gap. And what can I say? I think I'm in the right place, and I think everybody should be happy to be here as well.
Hello, my name is Chef Moni. I own Mukhi Bar and Kitchen Sangola, and it was a pleasure to be here for a Ramzan lunch by Chef Nazneen in Khanka. And thanks for Lakshmi for hosting this such a nice lunch. And it was one of my best experiences in Goa, having a Ramzan meal which we carve on this month. And the starters like tikka and samosas were amazing, and even the kurma, the biryanis, which were like flavors were very superb, and it was not too heavy, and homemade ice cream, especially the dessert, was also a very amazing, the dessert. And I look forward for some more of these things in my time in Goa. Thank you.
I'm Neeraj Wagle, marine consultant. I stay in Panje. And the thing is, I would like to describe this entire event, and I would like to put it into 3 verticals actually. I mean, the first vertical would be Nazneen, the host. I mean, she prepared a variety of dishes. And each one was superb, sumptuous, and well marinated. The chicken was really tender, juicy, and I just couldn't stop myself. For a moment I thought that I was like the Kung Fu Panda who was just eating those dumplings. But the second thing was, before coming over here, I thought it would be a real formal lunch whereby there would be like too many forks and spoons, and I would be in a confusion, a state of confusion, like what to choose and all. But it moreover was like connectivity with the food. Use your hands, eat, a total homely feeling. And then she also portrayed a totally equanimous attitude when she was actually serving the rice and everything to me. Fantastic. The second vertical would be Lakshmi herself, a wonderful entrepreneur and a lady who ideates and curates all these new concepts. And hats off to her, because this is not something like any normal individual can handle. I mean, she devotes her time to it, and I just devote my time to eating. So that's the thing. And the third vertical, of course, I wouldn't undermine myself that much. The third vertical is me. I mean, without a foodie appreciating the food, this event would never happen. And it does not require only some chefs or someone who just comes over here and just taste the food. You have to eat the food, fill your stomach, and even the after effects after eating the food, and even you know that you are totally satisfied. A sense of contentment on my face, a sense of contentment on the face of the host, and a sense of contentment on Lakshmi's face. And this is what makes an event. Hats off. And remember, for the next event, call me.
Well, Nazeem, it was amazing. Thanks a lot for the lovely spread. And on behalf of Kamakshi Foods, we have a small gift. Thanks so much.